Hey, I'm Martin, and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. So, today I want to talk about something that I think is incredibly important in manufacturing, and that's traceability. With the industry evolving so quickly, traceability has become essential for assuring quality, compliance, and efficiency. A robust traceability system allows us to track the entire life cycle of a product, from the raw materials all the way through to finished goods. This not only boosts product quality and safety, but also enhances operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Let's dive into how you can implement traceability in your manufacturing process. First up, you need to define your traceability goals. Start by establishing clear objectives for what you want to achieve with the traceability system. Is it regulatory compliance, quality assurance, or improving the supply chain transparency? I think having well-defined goals will help guide you through the implementation process. And then if you identify the key metrics and data points that need to be tracked to meet these objectives. Once that's done, next you can move on to mapping out the production process. And if you start by creating a detailed map of your entire production process from the sourcing of raw materials to delivering of the finished products, then you can identify the critical control points where data should be collected. And this mapping helps you understand the flow of materials and products, making it easier to pinpoint exactly where traceability measures need to be implemented. Once you've done that, you need to implement unique identification method. So assigning unique identifiers to each product and the components as it goes through the production system. And then this can be done using barcodes, QR codes, RFID tags, or serial numbers. These identifiers should be used consistently throughout the whole production process and the supply chain to ensure that each item can be accurately tracked at every stage. So once you've done this, another crucial step to just make things happen faster is implementing a digital manufacturing system. Because you can do this on paper, but using a digital system like Taskus, it really just helps you streamline the traceability process. Because a MES can automatically capture and store all of the real-time data from various production stages, reducing the risk of human error, and it ensures accurate record keeping. And it then also provides a centralized platform for managing traceability data, and it makes it easier to access and analyze that information when it's needed. And then finally, all employees who are involved in the production process need to be trained on the importance of traceability and how to use any traceability tools and systems that you've put in place. And continuous training and awareness on these programs can help maintain high standards of data accuracy and compliance, and that will overall contribute to the effectiveness of the traceability system that you've put in place. To wrap things up, implementing traceability system in manufacturing is a strategic move that can significantly enhance product quality, regulatory compliance, and operational efficiency. This will not only ensure compliance and quality assurance, but it will also build trust with your customers and partners, which will then go on to drive your long-term business success. So thanks a lot for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. And there you'll find more insights and valuable content that will fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.